Can AI actually help you feel more capable, confident, and more I've got this in your real life? I think it can, but only if you stop using it like Google and start using it like a coach. So everybody's tried AI by now, or they've at least heard about it. It can write emails, it can plan a trip, it can make a grocery list, explain a weird medical term that you can't pronounce. And yes, it can even help you sound calm even when you're not. And in this video, I'm going to show you 3 copy and paste prompts that do exactly that. I'll show you the prompts, how to use them step by step, what not to trust with AI because it can sound confident and still be wrong. And at the end, I'll show you how to get all the prompts in one place. So stay with me because prompt number 2 is what makes most people say, wait, that's what I should have typed? I'm Kathy. I'm 55 and I'm learning tech completely from scratch. No tech background at all. No fancy setup. I'm not a YouTube expert. I'm your proof. So if you're thinking, maybe it's too late for me, I totally get it because I've had that exact thought. And you know what? I'm doing it anyway. Okay, here is the first prompt right now. Copy and paste this.
Ask me 8 short questions to reveal my biggest blind spot right now. 1 question at a time. After my answers, summarize the pattern you see and give me 1 small action I can try this week.
Why this works? Because most people use AI like, give me advice. But this prompt forces AI to do something better. It interviews you first. Because if you give AI vague input, you'll get vague output. If you give it real you get real help. And in a minute, I'll show you a tiny add-on that makes this prompt twice as good. Here's a quick safety note because this really matters. AI can sound so sure and still be really wrong. That's a hallucination. Basically, it's made up information said with confidence. So AI is great for organizing your thoughts or giving you options, rewriting something clearly, and maybe helping you think through a decision. But AI is not a replacement for medical advice, legal advice, or financial decisions involving real money without double checking. Use it like a helpful assistant, not like the final authority. Here's the mistake that most beginners make. They ask 1 question, get 1 answer, and then they stop. But AI works best when you treat it like a conversation. So here's the little add-on line that I promised. This makes prompt number 1 even better. Add this at the end. If you need more info from me to be accurate, ask first. Don't guess. And that 1 sentence is going to save you from getting a lot of junk answers. Okay, prompt number 2 is what makes people feel like they just hired a personal assistant.
I'm overwhelmed and my thoughts are messy. Ask me up to 10 short questions, 1 at a time, to help me create a simple plan. After the questions, give me a 7-day checklist, the first 3 steps to do today, the easiest version of the plan if my energy is low.
This works for getting your house back under control, or budgeting, planning meals, starting a YouTube channel, even rebuilding routines when you find yourself in a slump. Because it doesn't just give tips, it pulls the plan out of you and it organizes it. In a second, I'm going to show you how you can make it sound like you and not like a robot wrote it. If you've ever used AI and you thought, okay, this is really great, but it doesn't sound like me, that's normal. So add a tone like this.
Write this in simple terms, short bullets, warm tone. No corporate language, no therapy talk. Keep it practical.
So let's say that your messy goal is, I want to start YouTube, but I don't even know where to begin. You paste prompt number 2 and answer the questions. And suddenly you have a video idea, a simple outline, a list of what to film, and a first step that's not overwhelming. And that's the point. You don't need motivation. You just need a plan that's small enough to start. Okay, prompt number 3 is your don't get fooled prompt. Copy and paste this anytime you ask something important.
Before you answer, ask me any questions you need. If you're not sure, say, I'm not sure. Tell me where the info comes from, or say, no source. Then give me the answer in simple terms.
This is great for medical terms, travel steps, scammy emails, anything that you would normally panic Google. at 11 o'clock at night because it forces AI to stop pretending that it knows everything. And in a second, I'll tell you the one question that I always ask after it answers. It's kind of like a built in truth test. After AI answers something important, ask this: what part of your answer is most likely to be wrong or outdated? That question alone makes the answer way safer and more realistic. Here's the simple truth: the quality of your input shapes the quality of your output. So if you type something like, help me with my life, AI is going to give you a bunch of fluff. But if you say who you are, what you want, what you're dealing with, and what kind of answer you need, AI gets way more useful. Here's a simple formula that you can use every time: who, what, your situation, and how you want it. Here's an example: I'm 55, I'm new to this, I'm overwhelmed, and I need a simple 3-step plan. That's prompting. Here's a quick recap. Prompt number 1 finds what you're not seeing, your blind spot, by interviewing you. Prompt number 2 turns messy thoughts into a real plan that you can follow. Prompt number 3 keeps you safe, and it forces AI to admit uncertainty. And if you use these 3 prompts, you'll stop feeling like AI is some kind of confusing tech thing and start using it like a practical tool. If you want, I'll put all 3 prompts in the comments so you can just copy and paste them. Just comment prompts. And here's what I want to ask you: if AI can help you think clearer, plan easier, and help you feel more capable, how do you think that changes what's possible for you? Like, what would you finally do? Tell me in the comments which area you would use this for first: confidence, health, money, or starting YouTube. And if you want a video about how ChatGPT can help you write your first YouTube video, just let me know.